rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. Our equation here is 2x plus 3y equals 15. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, our slope, and our y-intercept. So really, we want to get y by itself here in our equation. So to do that first, I'm going to bring the x over to the right. We have minus a 2x to both sides of the equation. 3y just comes down, right, because these cancel right here. And now we have 15 minus a 2x. They are not like terms. We cannot combine them. Lastly, I want to divide by 3 to both sides of the equation because we're multiplying by 3 for the y. 3's cancel on the left. We have y equals. Now this 3 has to divide into both 15 and the minus 2x. 15 divided by 3 is a 5. And then the minus 2x, we can write it as a minus 2/3 here, or to subtract 2/3 x. Now our slope-intercept form usually has the slope written first. So we have y equals, we'll write a minus 2/3 x, and then plus a positive 5. We can rearrange that. And so now we have rewritten an equation into slope-intercept form, and we have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 5.